What is going on, YouTube family? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Yes, you guys, that is correct. We just got a brand new car for the channel, and we are going to talk about it in this video, and we're going to reveal it like I said to you guys in the previous video. And yeah, you guys are going to see what that is, but first we got to do a few things in this video. And one of those things is, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, you guys, and turn on the post notifications so you guys get notified when I upload to YouTube, you guys. So the other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the car wash because we gotta wash this car. I haven't washed the car in like 2 months, so I think it's around time to do it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for today. Stay tuned for more videos, and like I said, hit that subscribe button. All right, we just filled up the car. 77 beans later. I think it's 13 gallons for $77. $5.89, you guys. Those are the prices here in Connecticut. So, no bueno. But all right, let's go. Okay, let's do one more pull here, and then catch you guys at the car wash. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go to the car wash right now, and as soon as we get to the car wash, I'll start recording again, and then we're gonna head back home and then reveal the new car, you guys. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
This thing cleans the undercarriage. All right, so I didn't want to take the car in here, but I have no choice. A clean car, a wash car is better than not having it and having all that dirt on it and all that stuff. But yeah, I don't like these things, and we are getting smacked by these things. We are getting smacked, you guys. I really don't like these things, but we have no choice. Oh no. Let me get that mic, see how it's doing. Oh my God. Oh, it's so wet. It's still on, you guys, so it works. Oh, let me turn it off before. Okay, so there's some protection on there. I'm gonna give you guys a little montage of the car right now. All right, you guys, so she is clean right now. Looking nice, the paint is looking good. Looks amazing. All right, so now what we're gonna do is head home. I got the mic over here. It's super wet, but it still works, you guys. So I think we're okay. All right, you guys, let's head home now and reveal the new car to you guys. All right, people, so I just got home, and I'm just gonna reveal it to you guys. And this is a brand new car that's coming to the channel, and you guys will see it a lot. Here you go, in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Yeah, boy. All right, you guys, so let's talk about it a little bit. This is my 2008 Honda Civic Hybrid. This is a hybrid, and I'm going to show you guys the interior of the car right now. you guys saw a little montage of the outside, and we're gonna go for a little drive after I show you guys the cool things that this car has. Actually, not that cool, to be honest, because it's a Honda Civic. I am happy that I got this car, and you guys will see a lot of this car in this channel because we're going to use it to transport things for the S-FLO and hopefully other cars in the future. So yeah, let me show you guys a little bit of the interior, and then we're going to go for a quick drive. I can't really drive it too much because I still need to get the registration and the plates and stuff like that, and I'll get that Tuesday. This is what I wanted to reveal to you guys since the last video, or for a little bit now. But yeah, you guys, it's a cool little car that I will be able to drive every single day to work and to do all the things that I have to do. And maybe in the future we can upgrade it, trade it in, do something with it. I don't even know. All right, so this is the interior of the car. This is, as you guys can see, got all the buttons, steering wheel, and all the things. This is what a Honda from 2008 looks like. A few things you guys can see on this car is the hybrid system. This is the battery, and that's where it's at right now. Once I'm driving, it'll go up, it'll do its thing, it'll charge, and where the green is, that's the indicator that tells you that the battery's charging, and the ASST means assist, which tells you when the electric motor is assisting the regular motor to be able to get up to speed faster. And that's the cluster right there. We got the gas gauge and then the temp gauge over there, and then you could also switch it up to get MPGs. I don't know what the MPG is going to be on this, but for right now, you guys, this is what the Honda Civic looks like, and we're gonna go for a little drive right now, give her the beans. All right, guys, let's give her the beans. Yeah, I think this car makes around 130 horsepower, I'm not sure, combined with the electric motor. I'm not 100% sure, but it gets the job done, you guys. That's all I need for right now. Then later on we could get a faster daily or something like that. But for right now, this will do. And yeah, this is the Honda, you guys. So y'all can see the charging system gets activated. But yeah, people, this is the brand new Honda. We can't do a Honda tune on this because it's a hybrid. I'm not sure people have done crazy things with the hybrid Honda. Probably not. But yeah, the car is a little clapped, but the motor is good. It sounds good. I have to do an oil change and I have to do a couple of things to it. But for right now, that's what's happening, you guys. And this has the S mode. I'm assuming this is sport mode, and I think you can give it the beans. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, just see a little slow, you guys. Let's head back home. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave the video here. Once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I think in the next video, we're gonna have the POV drive with the S-FLO, and then yeah, just have some fun with it, you guys. But this is a brand new car. I want to thank you guys for watching, viewing, subscribing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and God bless.